Hello and welcome to Wolf Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2024 Silverado 1500 ZR2. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, keyless entry with a push start, heated and cooled memory seats, a Bose sound system, front collision alert with lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, also has heads-up display, automatic transmission of course, front and rear diff lockers, the new Google radio, and a sunroof. This Silverado ZR2 has the 3-liter Duramax Diesel paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Lots of room in the rear passenger compartment with seating for 3, heated seats on the outboard positions, the nice molded Silverado mats, and a couple of USB ports there for the rear passengers. Thank you for shopping at Wolf Canmore. If you have any questions about our half-ton ZR2, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.